Hello everyone, good morning. So in this time I am just in front of the Mahabodhi Sanskriti Kendra, which is also called as a International Convention Center, which is located in Bodh Gaya city in Bihar. So International Mahabodhi Convention Center as a Mahabodhi Sanskriti Kendra is a large building in Bodh Gaya that is designed to hold a convention where the individuals and groups gathers to promote and common interest. So it is also one of the best place for tourists and many more visitors who are coming across the world to gather to promote their culture and traditions in this convention center. So in American it is called as a convention center, and in British English it is called as a conference center. So convention centers typically offered sufficient floors area to accommodate several thousands attendees and very large venues suitable for major trade, sometimes known as the exhibition hall also. So even in recently there is one convention hall also established that is also called as a international convention hall, that is a very large international convention hall in India before a few months back. So this center, which has been built with an estimated Rs 125 crore, has a seating capacity of 2,000 persons with facilities such as the the auditorium, meeting hall, dining hall, guest house, concert hall, lectural halls, and resorts area hotels in this convention hall. So it's also a very well decorated, very well, along with the lots of trees we can see inside the convention hall, Mahabodhi Sanskriti Kendra Bodh Gaya. So the guest house is also the world class facilities available in the convention hall. So it is the very good, and even this convention hall Bihar's Mahabodhi Sanskriti Kendra located just close to the Mahabodhi temple, only 1.5 kilometer away from the there, and also just after the Magad University, which is located in Bodh Gaya. So it is also so many more tourists and visitors and many more guests are coming here and residing inside this convention hall. So stay updated with me, and thank you so much.